Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right, daily chart, you can see they spent the last couple of days trying to deal with the lower band, trying to deal with the 50. It's support. We're testing the 9-day from underneath. We talked yesterday about where we were going to close relative to both the hourly midband and the weekly pivot. So hourly chart. And, you know, the only thing I can say is that the bears didn't even come close yesterday to getting anything done at all. They hopped it up right off the open. They peeled it back a little bit over the course of the afternoon, but hourly mid, support. Weekly pivot, not part of the conversation. So now the pressure's really on the bears. If they continue to allow this to happen, we will retest the monthly pivot 34.24. And we can make some decisions up there about what we want to do. So the monthly pivot on the continuation contract on September and the price level that was tested was 34.24. The monthly pivot on the December contract is actually 34.14. So 14 and 24 will both be important prices when we get there. And if, you know, look, if the bears don't want to go there, then you defend 3,400, you turn into a lower high and you bring it back in. The problem is you've already done a higher high today relative to here. So that's not really a good piece of work by the bears. So they're exposed, to say the least. Here's your hourly midband. If we get a pullback today, it's going to be important. And that's, you know, essentially what we are looking at into the day. Volume weighted average price 84.25, proprietary moving average is at 91, and you know we've lifted straight up off the ground at 430 and did from 78 to 98. They tested 92 and then back up to 98. So we opened in a couple of hours. We had a good day, good solid beginning to the week yesterday, and we're flat now. And chances are we just wait for the open and trade some price. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.